How to turn off or on augmented reality permission on Amazon Shopping on Android or iOS phone. First, open Amazon Shopping and now click these three lines here and then click settings and now click notifications, permissions, and after that just wait and then scroll down, and here we'll find augmented reality permission. You can turn it on or off just by one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.